Traders weekly time frame Bitcoin. So we've reached into this imbalance down here, and this is quite a bullish candle here. You can see this bullish pin bar holding this up. So weekly imbalance has been touched. You know, my bias is I think we see this rally. That's just my opinion based on this price action. Well, yeah, equal lows and a dip under, possibly. But, you know, we've got this bullish break going on here. I quite like what I'm seeing on the daily time frame 4-hour chart. All right, my take on this will be I'm going to look for a buy opportunity. All right, so we've got this higher low setting up here. And the way that I would get involved with this is going to be, yeah, okay, clearly we have a shift in character, right? Well, a shift in structure of the trend here. So we can name that chalk, change a character, no. And now we've got this break above. So I'm going to run with a bullish bias, and I'm looking for the retrace into, let's just have a look at this. I'm going to go down the time frames because I want to have a closer look at these candles. Yeah, I'm just looking for any sign of an imbalance. 15-minute. Anything that could be a target for this to pull back into. Imbalance as in one-sided trading. It's actually pretty good. Yeah, you see what I'm talking about. This is an imbalance here where you get a thin candle, but it trades back down into it and rebalances. So I'm actually not really seeing anything that stands out. I mean, because an imbalance is going to be a potential target for this to look to rebalance. Yeah, okay, it's pretty evenly traded all the way up. All right, so regardless, my bias is still going to be bullish, guys. Well, actually, here we go. Look, 4-hour time frame. You've got to mark up these. You've got a bit of an imbalance under here, and you know, it's really important to have these marked up and consider the possibility that this could look to trade down into these levels. See this candle here as well, 4-hour time frame. That's a 4-hour imbalance, bullish imbalance. These two areas. Now this one coincides with my 50%. This is the midpoint. In other words, the midpoint of this previous price swing range. So I'm looking to get in at a discount, and I would mark this up here as a point of interest. And what I want to see is, all right, here's what I'm getting at. I'll just go down to a 15-minute, and I'll be following this on this time frame. Let's just take that markup out. Guys, what I really need to see here, these two levels are really important. So I'm gonna buy. I'll go long only if the following applies, right? If this trades down and ranges here and holds, if it holds around this imbalance, I will go long on the pullback range. Okay, pull back into the range here. This break of market structure bullish, I will go long if it holds here and we see this price action playing out. But what I want to see is I want to see a little bit of a range, and then possibly a move up and then a move down into these stops under here. That would be the chart pattern that I'm looking for. Something like that, you know, and there'll be variations of how that plays out, right? Now, if it pushes through this level, my next port of call is going to be this level down in here. So these are really specific. I want to see it hold here and push up, and then the break of structure. If that doesn't hold, then a bullish opportunity is the probability factor kind of drops off, okay? If these don't hold, and if this pulls back down into here, right, the probability factor will drop off. But in saying that, you know, the algos could push it down looking into this level under here for liquidity. See under this low, let me just mark that up, or I'll just show it to you. So under these lows here, we have stops, right? So I mean, look, it's pretty volatile. So I've got 3 distinct levels that I'm going to be looking for an opportunity. But what I have to see is this ranging sideways. I want to see a bit of a move up, the volatility kick in, a push down under, and then I want to see it move off, and then especially move off with speed, setting up a bullish imbalance and retrace, right? So that's the model. That's the sort of price action I'm looking for, and it could happen anywhere. Now, if it breaks under this low and continue, there's no trade, right? This has to play out for me to get involved. In other words, it breaks above and then we pull back. Something like that occurs, then I'm long. Wherever that happens, back down in here, and to this low. But look, seriously, guys, if it's trending down and it continues down, I'll let it go. So that's my take on Bitcoin. I would really love to hear your thoughts on this. Definitely comment below, guys. It means a lot to me when you guys comment and share your thoughts on this. So with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and I'll see you in the next one.